How to get funding for your LLC without a credit check. Ever wish you could grow your business without banks digging into your credit? What if there was a way that you just haven't heard about yet? I've got you covered. The next few minutes could change your funding game forever. In today's video, we will discuss the ways to get the funding for your LLC without a credit check. Most business owners think you need great credit to get funding, but that's just what the banks want you to believe. The truth? There are smarter, faster ways to fund your LLC without high interest or credit checks. Stick around, because what you're about to learn could change everything. Leverage your business cash flow. Get over the myth that you need a perfect personal credit score to qualify for a decent loan. Many online lenders and fintech platforms now look exclusively at your business's consistent revenue, examining your daily or monthly deposits, expense patterns, and profit margins. This type of funding usually comes in two forms: a merchant cash advance, MCA, or a revenue-based loan. Here's how a merchant cash advance works in simple terms. Instead of paying interest like you would with a regular loan, you pay a fixed fee, usually 10% to 50% more than what you borrow. Then, a small percentage of your daily sales is automatically taken out to repay it. Let's understand this better with an example. Let's say your LLC brings in about $15,000 a month in sales. You get a $10,000 advance, and the lender charges a 1.3 factor rate, which means you'll repay $13,000 total. Instead of monthly payments, the lender takes a small cut from your daily sales, like 10% or a decided percentage, until it's fully paid off. This method is fast and doesn't require perfect credit for a loan, but it can get expensive if your cash flow drops. Some lenders also charge extra fees if you miss a payment or delay, so make sure you read the terms carefully. When used wisely, though, MCAs can be a helpful tool for businesses that are bringing in steady income but don't have great personal credit. Pro tip: if you're thinking about getting a merchant cash advance, pay close attention to how the repayments work. Some lenders take a percentage of your daily sales, so if you have a slow day, you pay less. Others take the same amount every day or week, no matter what your sales look like. That difference matters. A flexible plan can help you breathe easier during slow months, while a fixed one could drain your cash when you need it most. Always choose what fits your business rhythm, because the wrong setup can do more harm than good. Next secret is unlocking easy funding with ROK Financial. Ready to ditch the credit checks and endless paperwork? Let's focus on a game changer that can help your business thrive without risking your personal credit. ROK Financial is an alternative lending platform that helps you skip the hassle of traditional banks. It's an alternative lending platform that skips the personal credit score drama and focuses on what really matters: your business's performance. They look at your cash flow, monthly revenue, and overall financial health to determine if you qualify. The application process is refreshingly simple. You fill out a short online form. No endless forms or complex steps. The best part? Most business owners hear back in just a few days, and if you're approved, you could see funds in your account within 24 to 48 hours. That kind of speed can be a game changer when you're facing time-sensitive opportunities. Let's assume you run a small e-commerce store making about $20,000 a month. You need $15,000 to buy extra inventory for the upcoming holiday rush. With ROK, you highlight your steady sales, submit a quick application, and potentially get funded in just a couple of days without a personal credit pull or bank delays. Sounds amazing, right? But like any funding option, there are trade-offs. ROK loans can come with slightly higher interest rates and shorter repayment windows. You also need consistent revenue to qualify. And since they work with multiple lending partners, you'll want to compare offers carefully. Still, for entrepreneurs who want fast, flexible capital without risking their personal credit, ROK Financial is a powerful and reliable option. It's funding that fits your business, not the other way around. Next comes flexible, no credit check funding with Revenued. Think you need a perfect credit score to access business funding? Not with Revenued. Instead of focusing on your personal FICO score, Revenued looks at your business revenue and cash flow to approve funding. They offer two main products, the Revenued Flex Line and the Revenued Card. The Flex Line acts like a revenue-based credit line. You draw funds when needed and only pay for what you use. It's perfect for covering short-term expenses or riding out seasonal dips without getting locked into a long-term loan and stressful long-term repayments. Then there's the Revenued Card, a business spending card approved solely based on your income. No hard credit pulls, and many business owners find it much easier to qualify compared to traditional cards. Plus, it comes with cashback rewards, making everyday purchases even more valuable. For example, if your business brings in around $10,000 a month, you could get approved for working capital in no time. No piles of paperwork, no stress, and no hit to your personal credit. The best part? Approvals are fast. There's no personal credit check, and repayments are flexible, making it easy to manage during busy or slow months. But like any convenient funding option, there's a trade-off. Fees can be a bit higher, and you'll need consistent monthly revenue to qualify. To wrap it up, if your business brings in steady income, Revenued gives you fast, flexible access to cash when you need it, all without the stress of banks or credit checks. It's funding that works on your terms, not theirs. Now let's jump into the last secret of this video. Ramp Corporate Card. Looking for a business card that doesn't rely on personal credit? Ramp's corporate card is built for startups and growing businesses, using your revenue and bank balances, not your credit score, to get you approved, with no personal guarantee required. But Ramp is more than just a credit card. It's an all-in-one financial management platform that helps you track expenses, control spending, and get real-time insights into where your money is going. You can set employee card limits, automate expense reports, and even get notified of duplicate subscriptions or wasteful spending. Plus, Ramp offers useful perks like cash back on purchases and exclusive vendor discounts. Let's say you run a marketing agency with steady monthly revenue. Instead of using a personal credit card for business expenses, you sign up for Ramp. Get approved based on your business performance and start separating your finances the smart way. The upside? No personal credit checks, smart spending controls, and built-in tools to help you save and manage expenses. The catch? It's best for businesses with steady revenue and healthy bank activity. So if you're just starting out, you might need to grow a bit before qualifying. If you want a smarter, cleaner way to manage business spending, Ramp is the best option. Stressing about your credit score? Take a breath, because now you know there's more than one way to fund your business. From revenue-based loans to smart tools like ROK, Revenued, and Ramp, the key is using what fits your business best. Stay strategic, manage your cash flow, and always be ready for bigger moves. If this helped you see things differently, hit that subscribe button. More no-fluff funding tips are on the way. Before you go, drop a comment. Have you used any of these funding methods? What worked? What didn't? Your story could be the insight another business owner needs right now.